Animals 动物 Let's look at the first picture. Stag beetle. Stag beetle. 锹形虫。锹形虫。Stag beetle. Stag beetle. 锹形虫。锹形虫 stag beetle stag beetle 锹形虫锹形虫 stag beetle scarab 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 金龟子金龟子 scarab 金龟子 Repeat after me 金龟子金龟子 scarab 金龟子 scarab locust 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 蝗虫 locust 蝗虫 locust 蝗虫蝗虫 Repeat after me 蝗虫蝗虫 locust 蝗虫 locust pigeon 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 鸽子 pigeon 鸽子 pigeon 鸽子鸽子 pigeon 鸽子 pigeon dove dove 白鸽白鸽 That means white pigeon dove dove 白鸽白鸽白 white 白鸽鸽 pigeon white pigeon dove 白鸽 shark shark 鲨鱼 shark shark 鲨鱼 shark 鲨鱼鲨鱼鲨鱼 shark shark 鲨鱼 shark goldfish 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 金鱼金鱼 Gold means 金 Fish 鱼 Combined together means 金鱼 Goldfish 金鱼 Goldfish 金鱼 Goldfish Koala Koala The pronunciation is special. Koala 无尾熊 Koala 无尾熊无尾熊无尾熊 Koala Koala 无尾熊无尾熊 Koala Panda panda 猫熊 panda In China, some people will say 大熊猫 In Taiwan, most of the people say 猫熊大猫熊 panda 猫熊 panda 猫熊 panda That's today's lesson. See you next time. Bye.